What's up, everyone? I've got something special for you today. A little-known crypto arbitrage strategy that's been a game-changer for me when it pops up. Think you know everything about crypto? Think again. This technique can truly change the way you view market opportunities. So make sure to stick around until the end because I'll reveal all the details along with a surprise you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. To get started with this arbitrage, you'll need a minimum of 100 USDT and the Trust Wallet app installed. If you don't have it yet, don't waste any more time. Download it now. At the end of the video, I'll share a strategy to execute this arbitrage without needing to withdraw your crypto from your trusted wallet. So stay tuned. I'm going to transfer 1,000 USDT from Binance, where I keep my base cryptocurrencies, to Trust Wallet. Remember, you can also do this with a minimum of 100 USDT, so there are no excuses not to take advantage. Now in Trust Wallet, ensure that the ARPA coin is enabled. Take note of the current price, which is 0.0721 at the moment. Don't forget this, as it's crucial for our calculations. Next, let's head to the ARPA website, arpachain.site. We'll look for the Buy ARPA option to check the current price and confirm if we're actually generating profits. Spoiler alert. Right now, the price on the ARPA platform is 0.0579. By comparing, we can confirm an approximate profit of 18%. You can make this comparison with your preferred exchange. We've spotted an arbitrage opportunity. Now let's take this chance to copy the address where we will receive ARPA. I will be using ARPA on the BEP20 network, and I'll show you what other options are available. On the ARPA page, choose the cryptocurrency you'll use for this arbitrage. As I mentioned earlier, I've chosen USDT on the Tron network, but don't worry, you have multiple options at your disposal. Next, I'll indicate how many USDT I'm going to send. In this case, it's 1,000. The amount, regardless of which coin you choose, always needs to be in USD. Important. Make sure to select the network where you'll be receiving your ARPA. Personally, I'm going with the BEP20 network, which is fast and has lower transaction fees. It's always wise to optimize costs. I paste the ARPA wallet address I copied earlier, and once the form is complete, I click Buy ARPA. This will redirect us to Trust Wallet to finalize the transaction. I confirm, and while I wait for my ARPA to arrive, I'll share a more efficient way that avoids withdrawing crypto from my trusted exchange to Trust. When the ARPA page redirects you to Trust, copy the sending address and you can send it from any exchange. This way, you save on transaction fees. I'll be making a video about this soon, as I previously recorded this process when I tried doing everything from Binance. And as here, I've received 17,322 ARPA, which is equivalent to 1,253 USDT. Not bad at all. Now I'll proceed to send my ARPA back to Binance to convert it back to USDT. I'll copy the ARPA wallet address, choose the network, and finalize my arbitrage. I've been researching, and in a few weeks, the swap from Trust Wallet for ARPA will be approved. But for now, I'll send it to my Binance, which has worked excellently for me and offers good profit margins. I go back to Trust, then to ARPA, and select Send. I paste my address and transfer all the ARPA. Goodbye for now, ARPA. Once my ARPA arrives at Binance, I'll proceed to convert it. I select ARPA and then the cryptocurrency for the swap. Personally, I prefer using USDT since it's a stable coin, so I'll stick with this. In the balance, we have 17,322 ARPA. I preview the conversion and we would receive 1,245 USDT. Not bad at all, friends, not bad at all. And that's it. Although it seems straightforward, this is a task that requires dedication to find arbitrages like this, which pop up every few months. I'll soon upload a video where I carry out the entire process from Binance. You can also do this from your trusted exchange.